Sometimes you may find yourself needing to compare data that is arranged horizontally across rows in Excel, but you might not know how to do it effectively. This video focuses on solving that exact problem using a very popular function in Excel called HLOOKUP. The HLOOKUP function allows you to search for values in the first row of a range or table and return a value in the same column from a specified row below. It is especially useful when your data is organized in rows rather than columns, and you want to retrieve specific information based on a horizontal match. To demonstrate how this works, let's consider a simple example. Suppose you have a table that lists the names of employees in the first row and their average scores or performance ratings in the rows below. The goal is to input the name of an employee and retrieve their corresponding average score automatically. To begin, you enter the name of the employee into a cell. Next, use the HLOOKUP function to perform the search. Start by selecting the row that contains the employee names, which is the row where the function will look for the matching name. Then, define the table range that includes both the row with the names and the row containing the data you want to extract. After selecting the range, specify the row index number. For example, if the data you need is on the second row of the selected range, you would enter 2. Then indicate whether the function should look for an exact match or an approximate match by entering false for an exact match. As a result, when you type a name like Ali, Excel will automatically find the name in the first row and return the value from the second row of the same column. In this case, the average score for Ali is displayed as 81.7, and this value appears directly in the result cell. Using the HLOOKUP function in this way helps you save time and minimize manual errors when working with horizontal data structures. It's a powerful tool for anyone working with Excel to analyze, report, or automate repetitive tasks.